Hey, what is going on, guys? Dylan here with Stihl Landscaping, and thank you for tuning in to another video here on the Stihl Landscaping YouTube channel. I appreciate every single one of you guys that are stopping by and share time with me here on the channel. Now, today's video, we have a landscape tear out and install going in today, and I'm going to be bringing you guys along for the journey today. We're going to be getting some boxwoods ripped out. We're going to be cutting in new bed. We're going to be installing new. We're going to be putting down that black mulch. We're going to possibly be doing some like extending some downspouts. So you're going to be getting a lot in this video, hopefully. Hopefully I remember to pop the camera up a lot, because what happens is you get in that work grind and sometimes you just forget to put up the camera. So I'm going to be hoping to bring you guys along. So guys, sit back, stay tuned, enjoy. Let's get right on into this video. Alrighty guys, so here we are. We are at the job site. We are going to be ripping out all of these shrubs right there. As you can see, we're tearing out all this wood edging. We're going to be creating a new bed there. All of this is going to get tore out. And we're going to be burying a downspout extension to about right there, so that way it washes down, so it's not in their landscape beds. So you got to get all this ripped out. Plant material still at the shop, because I knew I was going to have to go dump. And we're going to be doing a lot of bed prep in the meantime, so I didn't worry about bringing it. I'll get it when we go pick up mulch. So we're going to get these ripped out. We're going to get this cleaned up, and we'll check back in with you here in a little bit.
Get me like this, right?
Yep.
And
good.
Focus it on the plant.
Be the plant.
This is what you're gonna do. Is you're gonna drive the truck, then rip it out, and then I'll grab this back off, and you can put the camera back if you go. You know what I'm saying? So that it looks like I did all the work. All right. Ready. Oh, it's tightening. Alright. That's your own fault, I guess. And done. I can't really, it's not on. I can't really tell where it's pointed.
Alrighty guys, it is time for a halftime update here on this job. As you can see here, we have our new bed edge cut on in here. We have a new bed area cut in. Got all this cleaned out. Some trash and stuff here to pick up. But got this cut in. And this cleaned up. Got a lot of the old mulch out. What I did not know is that there are shrubs or bushes that were cut but were not ripped out. So hopefully that doesn't affect my ideas on plants. We may have to shift, move a few things, but it is coming along fine. Now, we have definitely taken out a lot here at this job. And this is exactly why the dump trailer has ultimately paid for itself, because look at this. Look at all that debris in there. I mean, it is loaded down. If I still had my utility trailer, all of that would have to be hand undone. So thank goodness for the dump trailer. Right now we're going to split out. Got to dump this, pick up the plants, grab some lunch, and get the mulch. Our goal is to at least get everything installed, and then tomorrow we're going to come back through and mulch. We got to finish up a job that we started yesterday. They added on a little bit of work to us, so we'll go back there, finish that up as well, because we need more mulch for it. So guys, we're going to get all this dumped out, and I will see you at the mulch yard. Alright, so we are here at the yard. This is our yard waste section where you dump sod, topsoil, all that nasty jazz. Dump it on back here, so that's what we're gonna be doing. All right, she's loaded down pretty good. There has been one time where I loaded it up way too much and it didn't want to lift. So let's see. Woo, yeah! So remember, all this would have to be hand unloaded if it wasn't for this bad boy right there. I think should be good. So what I do when I am dumping, I'll like basically brake check it, just because some stuff gets lodged up in the top. So as you can see, still got some up there. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and drop her down, rake it all out, and we should be good. Now we're gonna get loaded up. Alrighty guys, so I don't know what happened, but I don't know if I forgot to click record during like those segments of the video where we're actually doing the work and whatnot, getting the plants installed and the mulch, but the footage isn't there. So basically we're jumping straight to the final product and the walkthrough of the completed job. So yeah, so sorry about that, and let's get on into the video. Alrighty guys, so here we are all finished up at this landscape installation. We'll just give you a little walkthrough and then we'll explain what we have put in. Right here we have a Forsythia Linwood boxwood gold. We have our lemon threads in the back with some variegated lyre-P there in the front. Here in the corner, we have a viburnum, their Stihl Patriot, quick fire hydrangea, our green gem boxwoods, and then our Stihl Patriot there in the corner. So there you can see it is all wrapped up. We just got to clean up to get done. Then we'll be rolling on out to the next project. Alrighty guys, so that is it for this day in the life. There is a landscape installation that we tackled. Now we're going to be moving on to the next job. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in this video. If you enjoyed it guys, do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below. What is your favorite thing to do in your business? Mow, lay mulch, installations? Let me know down in the comments below what is your favorite thing to do. Guys, if you're not already a subscriber, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell so that way you get a notification every time I drop a video. And as always, remember, do what you love what you do, but never stop. Guys, we will see you in the next one.